You can smile.
They get to the bottom of the steps. Perfect form.
No, first step. What is it? Your second, no, first step.
First step.
Chase.
Chase.
One down, chase.
Yeah, I know. I'm
Okay.
okay. My dad walked down my mom. That way, I don't have to run back.
Yeah, we can do that. I thought you were just filling in because she's.
That's the way they're going out, right?
Yes.
So, I would step out this way, let you walk in.
Okay.
And then you would walk out. All right?
Yes.
Works.
And then after that, you just follow the group.
The importance of the day of coordinator at your wedding. Duties begin at the wedding rehearsal. Guiding the wedding party on where to go upon arrival for the wedding day, suite, restrooms, parking, etc. Lining up and giving timing cues to the wedding party during rehearsal so that they know where to go. Going over final decor details with the bride and groom. Going over final vendor details. It's the wedding day! Your day of coordinator arrives on site early before guests, couple, everyone. To decorate your wedding space. To call all of your wedding vendors one last time. To greet you and the bridal party upon arrival. To organize food, beverages, and bridal groom suites. To line up and give timing cues to the bridal party for the procession. To fluff the wedding gown before the bride walks down the aisle. The ceremony begins. Immediately right after, sometimes the coordinator has to do a wedding flip. Other duties include keeping the timing and pace of the day going smoothly. Making sure guests never wonder what's next. Fixing any holes that may have occurred from 1 month before until the day of. Giving you back time and energy. Making your plate of food at the wedding reception. Making you a to-go box for your honeymoon travel. Surprise! Breaking down everything at your wedding.